Hi everyone, in today's craft I'm going to show you how to make this DIY stress ball using water beads, balloons, and some water. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to add a little bit of those water beads into a container or a vessel or a bowl. These ones have been going for about, I'd say 20 or 30 minutes, so I'm guessing 2 hours they'll be full size. If you're doing it in a water bottle, keep the cap off just in case you might put too much, because you don't want I don't know what would happen, but yeah. And these are the balloons that we're gonna use. Now that it's on, you can flip it and watch them all fall in. Remove it from the bottle. Slowly let air release. And tie the end here. And you have a complete stress ball. There you go. You can cut this end off so it looks a little better, but enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you want even more fantastic content, check out our Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube at CMC Library.